We're here at Collegetown Plaza to take a look at the 6-bedroom, 2-bathroom apartment 6A. Let's go on in. This is a big apartment here on floor 6 of this 9-floor building. As you know, we've entered on the 4th floor and just come up 2 floors to get to this apartment. We'll go through and see the bedrooms first and then the living room and end with the bathrooms. This apartment is shaped like the letter A or a large triangle, and we've come in at the wider end and we'll go up to the point of the apartment, which is a pretty cool room here at the end of the hallway. This first room on our right is room 1. All the bedrooms here, you know, we'll have that full-size bed, bookshelf, desk and chair. We've got the dresser over here. I'm gonna come over so we can take a look out the window. You can see up Dryden Road, so we get some good east morning sun here. And closet is right over here. We're across the hall from the larger of the 2 bathrooms. We'll take a look at that as we come back towards the end. As we're going down the hallway, we'll have another pair of bedrooms. The next bedroom on the right is room 2, so let's go on there. Rooms 1 and 2 are very similar. So similar size and shape. Let's go on in and take a peek. And again, Dryden Road for the view. Closet over here, and we're actually across from room 6 where we are. We'll come back and see that as we go. We're getting closer to the living room, the common space. So basically we go through 5 of the bedrooms before we get to the living space, the common areas. So we'll go into the next room, which is room 3. Room 3 has a slightly different shape, so we're a little more boxy. You can see we've got some nice floor space here in the center. So I like that layout. Again, we're on that Dryden Road side of the building. And same furnishings. We've got the closet a little bit more open so we can peek in there. Closets are all the same. Let's go take a look. Now we're getting into the main part of the apartment. Again, we'll come back to those other 2 bedrooms at the end. So this is the living space. So we've got a combined open space. This one has one of the renovated kitchens. These are beautiful new kitchens with a nice large refrigerator with those double doors on the top and the freezer on the bottom. The dishwasher, the sink, the microwave, the stove, oven, cabinets, and drawers. They did a nice job with these kitchen renovations. It really makes the apartments pop for the ones that have that. And here we are with living space. You've got some seating areas. There's always the TV that's in these larger apartments. These 6 bedrooms all have a TV. And an air conditioner, which is for the living space area. It's a window under the window unit. Let's go take a look. You can see really well up Dryden Road. That's to the right is looking towards College Avenue. And across the street, you can get a nice view of Cascadilla Hall. That's the Collegetown dorm, so you can see how close we are to campus from here. Cascadilla just across the street. Again, nice setup in here. The dining table often is placed against the wall, but it's fun to have it here in the middle. It's a different furniture setup here. Let's go see bedroom 4. This one is the stunner. Look at this. Look at these windows. Wraps around all the sides. So we are at the very tip point of the building, and this apartment or this bedroom is room 4. So we've got a pair of windows that are facing to the east. Again, you can see Cascadilla over there. And then this one goes to the north, and then one more to the west. I'm gonna go pop up over here in the bed because we want to see out the window and see that lake view, which I'll get zoomed in for us here. There we go. That is the south end of Cuba Lake that you can see right there. So that's a beautiful lake view that we have from this room, particularly in this apartment. Let's get zoomed back out and we'll go see the other rooms here. So again, smallest footprint or smallest space of a bedroom. Everything all fits. You can see there's the dresser, there's the bookshelf, and the desk, all the items. And let's go back across to the next set of rooms, the last 2 rooms. Okay. This is room 5, which is next to the kitchen, and we are across from room 3. As we go on in, rooms 5 and 6 are about the same size. They're just laid out. One is the long way and one is sort of sideways. So one's shorter and longer, and one's longer and narrower. So, but they are similar in size. And the items, of course, are always the same. This one is facing west. So these next 2 rooms have a west view. We got some good valley views over that way. You can see the lake from this room on the side. Let's go back over and go to room number 6. That's the last of our bedrooms here, and then we'll see the 2 bathrooms. Okay, so room 6, room 5, again, we're the same size. You can see this one is set up the long way, and then room 5 was sort of set up the same size but sideways. So we'll go on in, and this one has a nicer south view, which is kind of over to our left. Just let me get that turned. There we go. That south view over there is pretty good. And over there's the north side. Okay. So again, always with the closets, all the bedroom doors have a lock. There's a lock on the apartment door. There's the intercom and key fob entry downstairs from the lobby level. And again, we're on floor 6. This apartment is available on floors 6 through 9. Let's see that larger of the 2 bathrooms. So this is the larger bathroom. So we've got the medicine cabinet, the cabinet on the wall. We've got your toilet and the vanity. And then this one will have the full-size tub shower here on our right. And then we'll go over to the other bathroom, which is right next to the entrance door where we came in. So we enter through that blue door. And then this next door is the second full bathroom. It's small in size, but you do have that second shower, which we've got open over here. So we've got a second shower to use. That cabinet on the wall, this one is open, so you can kind of see how that works, and another sink and another toilet. So this A-style apartment is the one with the second full-size bathroom. So that's nice to have here in Collegetown Plaza. So we're in Collegetown Plaza 6A. This is the 2-bathroom, 6-bedroom apartment here on floor 6 of this 9-floor elevator building. We've come up 2 floors from the lobby level. This is the one that has the beautiful bedroom with the wraparound windows at the end, and 6 bedrooms, and we're located right in the center of Collegetown at 111 Dryden Road at Collegetown Plaza, and we're just 1 block from campus.